So finally, at sa wakas, nakaabot ka na sa episode na to. Which means, I will give you the plan. Kapag in-apply mo ng tama itong 6 steps formula, magkakaroon ka ng highest chance of hitting 100,000 pesos per month na kahit na wala kang kapital, business experience, and skills. Ito yung pinakamabilis na paraan to go from zero to full-time income. Kasi itong 6 steps formula na ituturo ko sa iyo is very straightforward na hindi mo na kailangan manghula kung ano yung gagawin mo sa susunod. At kapag in-apply mo itong mabuti, hindi mo na kailangan na mag-go through sa countless mistake na nagkukos kung bakit nag-fail yung ibang mga tao. And even kahit itong video lang yung papanoorin mo, you are pretty much guaranteed to make your first income online. So, without further ado, let's start. You see, halos lahat na nagsisimula ng online business ay nag-fail kasi may mali silang ginagawa. Titignan nila kung anong ginagawa ng mga successful people online at i-assume nilang yun yung pinaka-profitable na business. Magsisimula sila ng online store, mag-dropshipping sila, e-commerce, etc. Pero merong isang malaking problema sa pag-iisip na this business at a large perspective are profitable. Don't get me wrong, they are profitable. Pero nakakalimutan nilang i-consider yung difference between you and the successful people online is that meron silang huge capital to invest, meron silang business experience, at meron silang skills to make it work. Compared to you na siguro wala ka pang pera na pang-invest na malaki, wala ka pang business experience, at wala ka pang skills to know what's working yet. So, kung magsisimula ka ng mga business na pinopromote nila online, then you are only digging your own grave. Para bang tatakbo ka kagad ng marathon na kahit hindi mo pa kayang tumakbo na kahit 2 kilometers lang. Sure, totoo, it's profitable, but not at your stage. Kung agad-agad ka sumusubok ng mga businesses na nag-ooperate ng milyon-milyon, then you are only setting yourself up for failure. At yun mismo yung ginagawa ng 95% ng mga tao na sinusubukan kumita online. At yun din mismo yung rason kung bakit sila nagpe-fail at sumusuko within just the first few months. And in worst cases, malulubog na lang sila sa utang trying to start these difficult business models ng kailangan ng kapital or pera para makakita ng minimal na success. At yun na rin yung nagiging reason nila kung bakit hindi na sila magka-try ulit, na iisipin na lang nila na hindi sila fit maging entrepreneur or hindi sila okay na magtayo ng online business just because they started wrong from day 1. So kung ayaw mong matulad sa 95% ng mga tao, ito yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan mong pumili ng business model na maipapakita mo yung strengths mo imbes na ipakita mo yung weaknesses mo. What do I mean by that? Basically, kung yung weakness mo ay wala kang capital upfront, wala kang business experience, or wala kang skills, then go the other way. And trust me, kahit anong business pa man yan, you cannot start without those 3. At alam ko yon kasi dati I have my own e-commerce brand. And these businesses are very complex para lang makakita ka ng minimal results. Way more than you would expect. Sure, you want to be the top 1% na magpo-provide sa pamilya mo, i-secure sila, or maging boss sa sarili mong buhay. But in order to get there, huwag ka magmi-miss na isang step. So number 1 main priority mo ngayon is iwasan yung mga wrong business models for beginners. Pero ang tanong, paano mo malalaman yung mga wrong business models from the right ones? To identify kung ano ba talaga yung business model na para sa'yo. Dahil sa sobrang daming business models out there, di mo na alam kung ano pipiliin mo. It all comes down to this 3-pillar process for picking the perfect business model for you. The first pillar is initial investment. Kung kailangan mo ng cash just to see little success from your business, you are playing a dangerous game. Especially at your stage, masyado siyang risky. The top 1% focused on calculated risk, which means nagsisimula sila na something manageable. Kung nakakita ka ng result at kaya mo mag-invest ng 10,000 to 20,000 to scale, then go do it. But kapag beginner ka, tapos ubusin mo lahat ng life savings mo na meron ka, or mangungutang ka sa ibang tao para magkaroon ka ng kapital, without a solid strategy, is just a dangerous gamble. Hindi mo alam ang pinaggagawa mo. Delikado yan. The top 1% knows that the life is a game of offense and defense. Habang binibuild mo yung future mo, you also need to protect your current resources. So ngayon, Ang kailangan mong piliin business ay yung business na kahit hindi ka mag-succeed for 3, 6, 9 months or even 1 year, okay lang. Kasi maybe malulugi ka lang ng 5,000 or 10,000 pesos instead of malulugi ka ng 100,000 pesos, 200,000 pesos or more. This is about choosing the right business model sa stage mo. The one na magsaset sa'yo ng consistent wins, hindi yung malulubog ka sa utang in the process. Hindi mo kailangan agad-agad na mag-start ng software company, e-commerce brands, or kung ano-ano pang online businesses kasi those business models requires massive cash, years of experience, and solid skill sets. Alam ko to kasi I've been there. Nag-dropshipping ako at nag-e-commerce din ako. At sobrang tagal at dami kong product testing bago ko mahanap ang isa na nagpalago ng business ko. And that process itself can cost you 200,000 pesos or more. At this is just to test products. At meaning ko na rin, doon sa sales na yon, maliit lang kita namin. Marami na rin ako naging employee at sobrang daming operations na kailangan kong gawin. So kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, you don't want to be in the position na halos araw-araw nakikita mong nababawasan yung life savings mo. Not knowing na kung kailan mo mababawi yung pera mo. And unfortunately, yan yung nature ng business na kailangan ng product para bumenta. Kailangan mo ng sobrang daming oras at pera upfront, which bring us to the second pillar, which is product development. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, huwag ka malalaglag sa mga business model na magre-require ng palaging merong product development because the top 1% knows na this is a trap. Bakit nga ba to trap? Dahil sobrang uubusin ito yung oras, pera at energy mo bago mo pa makita yung first peso mo. Let's say na gusto mo mag-start ng dropshipping business. Akala ng ibang mga tao, they all need to find the best product out there at kikita na kagad sila. What they don't know is that a beginner might spend hundreds and thousands of testing 20 to 30 products bago ka makalan ng isang product na bebenta talaga. At alam nyo naman na bawat product needs ng budget sa advertisement, supplier negotiations, pagmamanage ng customer expectation, at kahit succeed ka sa lahat ng mga yan, maliit pa rin talaga ang kikitain mo dahil sobrang slim lang yung profit margin at sobrang taas pa ng competition at ang taas pa ng ad cost. It's a high risk trap disguised as a low-cost entry. So with that in mind, ano yung business na hindi na kailangan ng product para magbenta? And their answer is very simple. Services. Selling your services doesn't require ng investment para sa product development kasi ikaw mismo yung product. Binebenta mo yung oras mo, yung skills mo, or yung knowledge mo. Ibig sabihin nun, you get to skip the expensive, time-consuming product development phase. At kung iniisip mo na, pero hindi ko alam kung anong ibebenta ko kasi wala naman akong knowledge or skills to sell. Huwag ka mag-aalala. Dahil sa step 5, you will know kung paano mo madideliver yung services without even doing the work yourself. Magbibigay lang ako ng little heads up. Isang misconception ng mga starting business owner is dapat kailangan nilang gawin lahat ng mga gawain sa business nila. But that's wrong. And that only leads to burnout. You need to leverage manpower. Kasi in reality, hindi mo naman talaga need gawin lahat sa business mo. Pwede ka naman mag-hire na mas magaling pa sa'yo. Then bigyan mo sila ng fixed salary or commission. And the best thing is, maraming mga freelancers, service providers, at employees yung may skill kaso hindi sila marunong maghanap ng client or mag-close ng client. In this part, magiging middleman ka. Ikaw yung maghahanap ng client. At yung service na i-offer mo sa client mo is yung services ng empleyado mo. More about this later. Pero the point is, hindi mo naman nakikita nag-drive yung owner ng Uber, di ba? Pero before I lose you, let's compare these two kinds of people. Isang tao na nag-launch ng e-commerce store, nalulunod sa logistics, product development, suppliers, shipping, customer service, supply chains, marketing, margins, payment systems, and everything. Habang yung isa, nag-o-offer lang ng services. Maybe nag-edit ng videos for other businesses, nag-graphic design, or minamanage yung social media nila. Yun lang. That's it. Hindi na nila kailangan na mag-juggle ng 15 different components or different departments sa businesses nila. Ang kailangan lang nila ay mag-focus sa isang skill na ino-offer nila, then i-offer the same offer to multiple different people who need that service. Simple? scalable, at repeatable. At madalas pa nga yung mga service providers, yun yung nagkakaroon ng mas mataas na profit kaysa sa mga businesses na tinutulungan nila. Kasi ang labanan dito, profit, not revenue. Pero at the end of the day, profit at cash flow sa business is the only thing that's important. So bakit nga gumagana yung approach na to? Well, because of this third pillar, quantity. You see, kapag nagbebenta ka ng products mo, kailangan mo muna makabenta ng hundreds or thousands of units at nakadepende pa sa product kung kikita ka ng 6 figures per month at kailangan mo pa na skill ka na as an individual at usually kailangan mo rin ng malaking marketing budget. Pero when you are selling services, hindi mo kailangan magbenta ng sobrang daming units per month. As long na meron kang right service at kaya mo mag-charge ng 50,000 pesos to 80,000 pesos per month. So, kailangan mo na ng ilang clients para ma-reach mo at malagpasan mo yung 100,000 pesos per month na mark. And less customer yung kailangan mong i-manage. And the less customer you have to sell, the easier it is to get there. And the best part is, hindi mo na kailangan mag-invest ng marketing para lang mabenta yung product mo. Kasi kaya mong maghanap ng clients organically, which will cost you 0 pesos. At ituturo ko yan sa step 4, huwag kayong mag-alala. I know, at this point, iniisip mo na siguro na, gagana ba tong business na to? I get it. Di kita masisisi. Pero check this out. We talk real business model that works. Ito rin yung exact business model na ginagamit ng mga malalaking businesses at corporations tulad ng Grab, Lalamove, Lazada, Shopee, mga BPO and call centers, Airbnb, and so much more. Marami sila na ginagamit itong business model na to. And this business is called outsourcing business. Let's dive in kung paano ba ginagamit itong business model na to. In the case of Grab and Lalamove, hindi naman lahat ng mga registered vehicle under ng platform nila is silang bumili or sa kanila. Most of the time, kinokollect lang sila ng customers na may gustong ipadala na products or may gustong puntahan sa mga drivers na may kotse or motor. At yung company, kumukuha na lang sila ng 20 to 30% cut as their fee. Sa Lazada and Shopee naman, hindi naman sa kanila lahat ng mga products sa website or platforms nila, di ba? Ang pinaka ginagawa nila is pinagko-connect lang nila yung consumers and buyers through their platform. And every transaction buyers make, kukuha lang sila ng up to 9 to 10% cut per sale. For BPO naman or call centers, ito yung literal na mga outsourcing business. Kasi nga BPO, business process outsourcing. Yung mga call centers naman, hindi naman sila yung nag-aasikaso lahat ng customer service nila. What they do is they are connecting clients tulad ng Amazon sa agent. At kukuha sila ng 30 to 40% cut doon sa binibigay ng Amazon. And then finally, for Airbnb, hindi naman nila pagmamay-ari lahat ng mga bahay doon sa platforms nila. Hindi naman sa kanila yun. They are only connecting travelers na gusto magstay or magrent ng house sa mga homeowners na willing magparenta ng bahay nila. At sa bawat bookings, kumukuha yung Airbnb na 14% cut as their commission fee. Ngayon alam mo na outsourcing is the best. Ngayon, gusto mo na simulan to kaso di mo pa alam kung anong service na i-offer mo. And that's why we are proceeding to step 2. Choose a profitable service. Now, why is choosing a profitable service important? Well, simply stated, dito nakasalalay yung kikitain mo. Profit is sanity. It is the major indicator of a business overall success. Pero bago mo malaman kung ano yung mga indicators ng profitable services, kailangan mo muna malaman kung ano ba yung 2 kinds of services natin. Yung mga nagmamasahe, mga naggugupit, mga nagka-car wash, or anything na may physical labor, yun yung tinatawag na physical services. On the other hand, yung mga video editors, graphic designing, social media management, and anything na services na ginagawa through computers and other devices, yun naman yung tinatawag naming digital services. Now, wala namang problema na magkaroon ng physical labor na trabaho, pero one thing you should note is dapat meron kang physical store. And this factor can be limiting compared millions of opportunity na pwede mong ma-access online. Kasi kung may physical store ka, maging limited ka sa location and minimum wage na kulang pa yun na kukuha mo compared sa pagod ng commute at trabaho mo. So what I highly recommend, kung gusto mong ma-fast track yung income mo online, is you need to pursue digital services. Now, para malaman mo kung ano yung mga indicators, para malaman mo kung ano yung profitable services sa hindi. Nandito lang yan at nakasalalay ito sa tatlong main factors. At kapag na-check out mo tong tatlo na to, you will have a very high profitable service to offer. First, it starts with the price. Dapat iniisip mo yung services na pwede kang mag-command ng high ticket pricing. Kasi isipin mo na kung kaya mo mag-charge ng at least 50,000 pesos lang per month per client. Dalawang client lang ang kailangan mo para maabot mo na kagad yung 100,000 pesos per month income. Now, siguro iniisip mo kung ano ba yung mga services na pwedeng mag-demand ng high price yung services na i-offer ko. To answer that question, magbibigay ako sa iyo ng listahan ng mga in-demand services na exclusively dapat na sa loob lang ng paid program ko. Let's say, yung service na pili mo is video editing. Pwede ka mag-edit ng mga short forms ng ibang creators na hindi naman talaga nila need ng sobrang daming video editing. And for that, siguro pwede kang kumita ng 10,000 to 20,000 per month. That's low because hindi naman talaga nagbibigay ng sobrang value yun para sa kanila. And it doesn't really generate sales majority of the time. So sa case to, nagbebenta ka lang ng convenience at hindi ka pwedeng mag-charge ng malaki doon dahil free up mo lang yung oras ng mga content creators by editing their videos. Now, pwede ka pa rin mag-video editing but instead sa mga content creators lang na normal na nakikita mo sa social media, you could be targeting na kapag maganda yung edit mo doon sa client na yon, kikita sila ng pera. But let's say, napunta ka sa real estate. Kapag nag-edit ka ng magandang video para sa kanila, you could double their sales overnight. Kumbaga, meron siyang results. At kapag nagawa mo yun, hindi ka nang basta-basta nag-o-offer ng convenience. Instead, nag-o-offer ka ng ROI o yung tinatawag nating return on investment. At yung maganda dito is kapag clear at measurable yung return na nanggagaling sa services mo, mas madaling mag-charge ng malaking price. Instead of 20,000 pesos sa mga content creators na hindi naman talaga need yung video editing, you can now charge 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 sa mga nangangailangan ng skill sets na yon. Kasi at the end of the day, ginagawa mo pa rin yung parehas na service. Magkaiba lang sila ng positioning at framing ng value. Or maybe graphic designing. Instead na magbenta ka ng logo na wala namang measurable na return, pwede ka naman magbenta ng thumbnail designs para sa mga YouTubers. Parehas pa rin yung ginagawa mo. Pero yung isa is considered na convenience and yung isa naman is high impact. Now, the other factor to consider is client type. Meron tayong two types of client. International client at local client. Pwede ka naman kumuha ng client dito sa Pilipinas kung gusto mo ay pag-work sa mga clients locally. Pwede ka naman kumita ng malaki locally talaga. Marami pa rin namang opportunities dito locally. Pwede ka rin mag-on-site, but the only problem is you are limited geographically. Sure, kaya mo kumita ng malaki, pero magiging mahirap kasi isa-sacrifice mo yung personal time mo at malilimit yung target market mo kasi nakatouch ka lang sa isang location. And ultimately, sacrificing your location freedom compared sa working with international clients. Pwede ka magbenta na kahit sino sa buong mundo, which is target market ng milyong-milyong businesses compared sa maybe a few hundreds in person. At kapag remote ka or work from home, mas madaling magkaroon ng clients at mag-scale. Plus, it provides you with the location freedom from the get-go. Third on the list is recurrence. This only means na imbis kumita ka lang ng isang beses every customer or client sa services you can sell once and get paid every single month. Para sa mga ibang businesses, bali wala kung nakabenta sila ng 10,000, 100,000, or 1 million in 1 month. Kasi the next month, zero ulit sila. Pero kung nagpo-provide ka ng services na may recurrence, kapag nabenta mo ng 100,000 pesos per month yung services mo ngayon, the next month magkakaroon ka ng 100,000 pesos ulit, and the next month, and the next month, and the next month. At iisang client pa lang to. Kasi kapag nagbenta ka ng 10,000 pieces of unit to products ngayon, next month wala kang assurance. So, imbis na magbenta ka ng sobrang daming produkto at mag-reset every single month, ang kailangan mo na lang gawin ay kumuha ng dalawang 50,000 pesos per month na client, then maabot mo na kagad yung 100,000 pesos per month. At kapag sinundan mo lang yung step-by-step outreach method na ituturo ko sa iyo sa step 4, madali na lang yung magiging proseso mo as long na consistent yung gawa mo at nireplicate mo talaga yung ituturo ko. And by doing this way, hindi ka na nakasalalay na sana swertehin ka next month at kontrolado mo na yung results mo. So to summarize, kailangan mo lang ng isang service na pwede mong i-offer ng 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos per month. May recurrency, remote, or work from home, at magkaroon ng ROI offer. And to help you with that, ito yung list of services na pwede mong i-offer according sa data ng program ko. This is from 2023 to 2025. Ito yung listahan. Pili ka ng kahit anong gusto mong services dyan na pwede mong i-offer kay client. Pero ang daming services na pwedeng pagpilian. Alin ba dyan yung in-demand? Dahil gusto kong makatulong sa'yo, nilista ko yung 5 digital services na in-demand ngayon at ano yung market yung need ng services na yon na pinipay kami ng up to 100,000 pesos per month. Ito yung listahan. Ito yung isa sa mga binibigay kong exclusive cheat sheets na binibigay ko sa thousands of members na sa loob ng online program ko. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung paano gawin yung services na to or hindi ka naman marunong sa mga digital service na yan, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano mag-outsource sa step 5. At sobrang daming businesses internationally at locally yung willing magbayad ng malaki para tulungan sila magkaroon na mas marami pang customers. Kasi more customers, more money. So kailangan mo lang pumili ng tama, especially with your niche. At yun yung ituturo ko sa iyo sa next step. Step number 3, pick the right niche. So nakapili ka na ng business model mo, nakapili ka na rin ng profitable service mo. Doon pa lang, ahead ka na sa 70% ng mga tao na nagsisimula sa journey na ito. Pero may isang important detail ka pa rin na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin. Kasi kahit nga nakapili ka ng profitable services mo, pero nasa maling niche ka naman, mag-i-struggle ka pa rin na kumita ng pera dyan. Kaya kailangan mong maging maingat sa pagpipili ng niche na tutulungan mo. Pero before ko ibigay sa inyo yung cheat sheets na ginawa ko para piliin yung niche mo, kailangan mo muna malaman kung ano ba yung niche na sinasabi ko. Niche is simply a segment sa isang malaking market na may specific target audience. They are defined by common interests, demographics, or unique needs ng target audience nila. Let's say, gusto mo gumawa ng isang athletic wear para sa mga bata. Then yung niche mo is children's clothing. Or let's say na service. Gusto mong tulungan yung mga clients mo na ma-achieve yung fitness goals nila. Then ang niche mo is nasa health and wellness. Pero to make your life simpler, tulad na sinabi ko kanina, gumawa ulit ako ng cheat sheets na para hindi ka na manghula sa pagpipili ng niche mo, na itong cheat sheets na to, ito mismo yung binibigay ko sa loob ng paid program ko. Meron 3 factors para pumili ng tamang niche. First, is very simple, revenue. Kasi kapag pinili mo yung niche na yung clients ay may high revenue numbers, tataas din yung chance mo na kumita ng pera ng sobrang laki kasi may resources sila na pambayad sa'yo. On the other hand, kung pinili mo naman yung niche na hindi masyadong kumikita or hirap kumita, may hihirapan ka pa rin financially kasi wala silang resources na pangbayad sa'yo. Or baka pa nga hindi mo sila ma-close dahil wala silang pambayad sa'yo. At from personal experience, yung mga clients na mababa yung revenue, sila din yung mga mahihirap makipag-work. So, might as well to go from the high-paying ones. That said, ito yung mga businesses na kailangan mong i-avoid. Una is yung mga businesses na startups. Usually, mga startups, wala pa silang pera at sinusubukan nilang i-cut cost lahat ng makakaya nila. It usually takes years para maging profitable sila at ayaw mong mapunta sa environment na yon. Second is one-person business. Mas nakikita nila yung sarili nila as self-employed individuals imbis na isang business at makikita mo to sa revenue numbers nila. Now, for the second factor na kailangan mong tignan is yung profit margin. May ibang mga businesses na kumikita ng malaking pera sa revenue Pero kapag tinitignan mo yung profit margins nila, sobrang laki ng difference. Revenue nila 10 million pero profit nila nasa 50k. Ang example ng mga low profit margin businesses are clothing brands, retail stores, restaurants, at iba pa. Sila yung mga walang masyadong cash para bayaran ka at para makakuha ng isang customer. So imagine kung magdadala ka ng customer gamit yung service mo, pero magiging profitable lang yung client after 5 to 6 months, mas mahirapan ka mag-scale. Mas maganda na mag-provide ka lang ng services sa mga businesses na kapag binigyan mo sila ng customer na kahit isa lang, magpa-profit na agad sila agad-agad. So that's why the third factor to pay attention is their product ticket. Ang ibig sabihin nito is yung price per customer. Mas maganda mag-provide ka ng mga services sa mga businesses na may product ticket na higher than $1,000. Kasi kahit onting sales lang, magpo-profit kagad sila sa service mo. Let's say na tinulungan mo yung mga real estate agents with your video editing to get more clients per month. At yung average client nila is worth $2,000 to $3,000. Now, kung napalago mo yung business nila gamit yung video editing skills mo at nabigyan mo sila ng 5 pang clients sa isang buwan, they are already making 2 times, even 5 times return on their investment. Kumbaga nag-invest sila ng 100k, ang bumalik sa kanila 600k or more. On the other hand, kapag tinulungan mo yung isang client na may mababang price, siguro magte-take pa sila ng 100 to 500 customers per month para lang makabawi dun sa binayad sa services mo. At sobrang hirap nung gawin at sobrang hirap makapag-close ng ganong client. At mahihirapan ka pa makipag-collaborate dun sa client na yun. Now, to help you finding your niche, itong 3 niche na ibibigay ko sa iyo is ilan lang to na goldmine niche na playbook sa loob ng paid program ko. And these niche are booming today. So kung ayaw mong mahuli, then I suggest na you take action immediately. But to summarize, maghanap ka ng mga content creators or coaches or businesses na may high-ticket product. Offer them your services and get them more customers using your services. Pero siguro ngayon tataka ka kung paano makahanap ng mga high-paying clients. And in this next step, tuturuan kita kung paano mo mahanap yung mga high-paying clients na ito. Step number 4 is client acquisition. Sa totoo lang, lahat ng businesses kailangan ng clients. Alam naman natin yun. Pero ang advantage ng service-based business is kailangan mo lang ng kakaunting clients para kumita ng full-time income, which means na meron kang malaking advantage. Siguro with 2 to 3 clients lang, maabot mo na agad yung 100,000 pesos per month or even more. Kaya ngayon ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano makakuha ng clients with something na tinatawag na cold outreach. Basically, may 5-step process yung cold outreach. Let's run through the first step. Hanapin mo kung saan ba tumatambay yung mga dream high-paying clients mo na gusto mong i-offer yung services mo sa kanila. Kung struggle ka hanapin yung mga dream clients mo na yan, you can always start by joining sa iba't ibang mga communities tulad ng Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, at etc. Kung madaming nasa community, mas madami din yung client at pwede mong i-reach out. Next step is to compile lahat sa isang listahan. Ang masasuggest ko ay ilagay sila sa isang Google Sheet or Excel, yung mga contact details nila. Simply mag-search ka lang sa mga Facebook groups, Twitter, at sobrang daming brands na nangangailangan ng services na in-offer mo. And working on compiling this solid list of potential clients will make your life 10 times easier kapag nag-outreach ka na. Now, matapos mong i-compile lahat ng leads mo sa isang Google Sheets, it's time to start to contact them. Basically, it all leads down to this 5-step process. Of course, mag-introduce ka sa kanya, magbigay ka ng context at mag-express ka ng common value na nagdala sa iyo para kontakin mo sila. And then, gamitin mo yung common value na yon para i-segue yung opportunity na ino-offer mo sa kanila as 10 services. Huwag mo sila i-pressure. Kapag nararamdaman nila masyado kang greedy, the more likely na hindi sila makipag-work sa'yo. Kahit na kailangan talaga nila yung services na in-offer mo, ipakita mo sa kanila kung paano mo muna sila matutulungan by actually helping them. And finally, kapag everything went well, invite mo sila sa isang meeting or sales call na tinatawag. But huwag ka madi-discourage kung sa tingin mo na hindi mo kaya na makipag-sales call. Kasi 60 to 70% of the time, kapag ginawa mo ang tama yung offer mo, via chat na lang kayo most likely na mag-uusap ni client. Kasi syempre busy din sila, marami silang inaasikaso sa business. Basta ang mahalaga, magsisend ka lang ng agreement na pwedeng yung pag-uusapan through chat. Now, itong ibibigay ko sa iyo ay isa sa mga ready-to-use working templates na nasa loob ng Outreach Mastery Toolkit. sa paid program ko. Habang hindi pa to nagagamit ng maraming tao, gamitin mo na to agad to reach out potential clients after watching this video. Ito yung example. Hi John, I hope you're doing well. My name is Franklin Miano. I'm a passionate video editor with over 2 years of experience in crafting in a high quality videos that converts. I'm really excited about the possibility of working together to spread your message to more people. Here's what I can offer. I can create 2 TikTok videos short form on your account and distribute it to multiple social media accounts. In that way, we can generate a lot of views, leading to more customers, leading to more revenue. So this is my special rate because I'm inspired on your work and I want to work with your business. So I will offer this for 30% off from the original. I will offer this at $2,000 per month at 40 short form videos with social media management. So the question is, why work with me? I'm well versed in industry leading software like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut. I have a solid track record of delivering high quality work on time, and I believe in a clear and open communication, ensuring we are always on the same page. I have attached my portfolio for you to take a look at some of my work, and I love to chat more about how I can help to bring your projects to life. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Best regard, Franklin Miano. Basta dito mo lalagay yung email mo, yung WhatsApp number mo, or yung Telegram mo. Siyempre, papalitan mo na lang yan, yung pangalan, expertise mo, years of experience, offer, rates, and why. Now, kung meron ka ng business and results, tapos gusto mo ng proven email template na gumagana, etong next na ibibigay ko sa iyo is from my another toolkit sa loob ng paid program ko na 100,000 peso client magnet. So ito mismo yung ginagamit ko at ng mga members ng paid program ko, kaya sila nakakuha ng high paying client. So use this template at i-replace mo na lang yung mga name at numbers at i-fill in the blank mo na lang yung mga kailangan i-fill. And remember, the more na mas personalize yung email mo, umaabot ng 29% higher yung chance na basahin nila yung email mo over all of your competitions. Pero kung gusto mo talaga na mas mataas yung chance, I recommend reading the book called Launch, an internet millionaire's secret formula to sell almost anything online. In this book, merong 4 na importanteng mental triggers na makakatulong sa iyo to sell your services the right way. First is authority. Show that you have an experience and skills. Trust. Show them your true colors. Anticipation. Tell them that you are confident in your ability to help them grow and that you value the relationship and business growth over money. Likability. It's important to maintain a positive attitude, sense of humor, and smile consistently. 99% of the time, a good person plus good skills ang kukunin nila na hindi lang good skill lang. Now, siguro iniisip mo, ilang cold outreach or message ba yung kailangan kong gawin bago ako kumuha ng isang high-paying client? Based experience ko at data ng mga members ng paid program ko, the average is 500 outreach. Sa 500 na yon, average is merong 25 na replies. Sa 25 na replies is merong 1 to 3 clients close. And sa 1 to 3 clients close, you can charge up to 100,000 pesos or more per month. Pero syempre, nakadepende pa rin yan sa gagamitin mong strategy at outreach template. But based sa results ng mga tinuturo kong strategies and tips sa mga members ng program ko, minsan less na 500 outreach, nakaka-close na kaagad sila ng multiple client. Meron pa nga, in less than a week, nakaka-close na kaagad siya. Now, kung gusto mong ma-reach yung 500 outreach per month, ilang messages per day ang kailangan mong gawin? 16 to 17 messages per day lang. But usually, this only happens kapag hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga tamang strategies and templates na need mong gamitin na kasama sa loob din ng program ko. But let's say everything went well, nag-reply yung client from your cold outreach. So, ano na ang gagawin mo? Well, dito na papasok yung negotiation. At hindi lang to basta-basta. Kasi kung ginawa mo lahat ng steps before, pero hindi mo to nagawa successfully, lahat ng efforts mo ay mapupunta lang sa basurahan. And I'm not even kidding. Kasi dito nakasalalay yung kikitain mo. So, that said, let me teach you one of the strategies sa loob ng paid program ko. Ito na rin yung tinuturo ko sa mga members ko para makapag-close sila ng 6 to 7 figures na hindi sila nalulugi. And this is what I call the Elevate Rule of 30. In simpler terms, dapat lagi kang magdadagdag ng 30% sa price mo. For example, let's say 100,000 pesos yung gusto mong compensation galing sa client mo. So, to increase your chance to close a 100,000 pesos per client, ang unang mong gawin is i-offer yon ng 130,000 pesos. Kasi most of the time, every agreement in price negotiation is 30% below the initial offer. So basically, para hindi ka malugi, na imbis bababa yung 70,000 yung bayad sa'yo per month, dagdagan mo na lang ng initial na 30% yung offer mo. This way, kung mag-agree ka agad si client sa 130,000 pesos mo, edi meron kang extra 30,000. Pero kung sabihin nga natin na bumaba siya ng 30,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos na lang yun. Pero yun naman talaga yung intention mo sa umpisa pa lang. That's basically the formula. Gawa ka ng list ng potential clients mo, mag-reach out ka sa kanila, magbubook sila ng meetings or mag-chat na lang kayo to each other. At yung pinakahuli is makipag-negotiate na lang sila doon sa presyo na gusto nila. And then, you rinse and repeat hanggang ma-reach mo yung 100,000 pesos per month. And by the way, the process of getting to 1,000,000 peso per month is exactly the same. Kailangan mo na ng mas maraming clients or mas mataas na monthly compensation na galing sa client. So step 5, find service providers. Now, meron ka ng business, meron ka ng service, meron ka ng niche, at meron ka ng client. Ang tanong, ikaw ba lahat gagawa ng services na in-offer mo? Wala kang skills eh. Siyempre hindi. Yung gagawa ng mga projects na pinapagawa sa'yo ni client, isang gagawa nun is yung mga service providers. Sila yung tutulong sa'yo to complete the task. Important, need mo maghanap ng mga tutulong sa'yo kasi hindi mo magagawa lahat ng services na ino-offer mo by yourself. Kasi kapag ikaw yung nag-o-offer na services by yourself, tawag sa'yo is freelancer, hindi ka business owner. You are selling your time for money. Hindi dapat ganun. Kasi kapag ganun ang ginawa mo, isa kang mayaman na empleyado. Still empleyado ka pa din. Hindi ka negosyante. You can still do that, pero it's going to be more time consuming. Pati, pag-aaral mo pa yung services from scratch. I mean, ito rin naman yung ginagawa ng Uber eh. At the end of the day, company lang yung Uber pero hindi sila yung nag-drive mismo sa daanan. Nag-hire sila ng ibang mga driver na may kotse at i-offer nila yung services nila sa mga pasahero ng Uber or Grab. At kukuha lang sila ng percentage every time na matapos yung trabaho ng mga driver. It's also important na maghanap ka ng skilled and magaling na service provider kasi the higher quality ng gawa is the higher the pay. Kasi higher the quality, higher the ROI, and mas madali lang sila mag-pay na mas malaki. So here's how. May dalawa kang pagpipilian. Maghanap ka ng service provider na may fixed price agreement kayo. Kumbaga, sweldo. Let's say 30,000 per month or partnership kayo. 50-50 kayo sa kikitain. Now, saan ka naman maghanap ng mga service providers? Pwede ka mag-join sa mga Facebook groups ng mga service providers. Let's say, video editing. Pwede ka mag-post doon that you are hiring or you are looking for a partner para sa mga makukuha mong clients internationally. Once may agreement kayo sa napili nyo, ganito lang yung mangyayari. For example, may papasok na pera galing sa client. Sabihin natin 100,000 pesos yon. For a fixed price na salary doon sa service provider na 30,000 pesos is 70,000 pesos na lang yung matitira sa'yo. So, example naman, partnership naman. 100,000 pesos, 50-50 kayo doon, so 50,000 pesos sa'yo doon. Simple lang. Malinis na pera sa tamang paraan at madaling negosyo lang. Now, maybe iniisip mo na hindi ba unfair sa employee or dun sa service provider or sa partner mo na babayaran mo lang sila ng 30,000 or 50% lang sa makukuha mong bayad kay client? The answer is no. Kasi you also did the work. Mas mahirap pa nga trabaho mo kasi ikaw yung naghanap, nag-outreach, nag-propose, nag-negotiate, nag-close ng client na hindi alam na gawin ng service provider mo, which i-explain natin to mamaya. Yung employee / service provider or partner mo naman talaga ay sila yung tagagawa ng clients ni project. Marunong lang sila sa skills na yun, pero hindi sila marunong doon sa other skills na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Tulungan lang kayo dito. Yung strengths mo, yung weaknesses nila, at yung weaknesses nila is yung strengths mo. Isa rin sa pinakamahirap gawin is yung maghanap at mag-close ng client. Pero dahil sa mga tinuro ko sa loob ng paid program ko, mas magpapadali na lang yung pagkukuha mo ng high premium client. So ikaw yung tutulong sa kanila at magkakaroon sila ng opportunity. At the same time, fair yung compensation between sa inyong dalawa. Now, kung gumana lahat ng tinuro ko from step 1 to step 5 at tuloy-tuloy na yung flow ng business mo at maganda na yung kinikita mo, ngayon, it's time to step number 6 is automate. Your business should work even without you. Bakit? Less burnout at syempre, mas magiging enjoyable yung business mo. At kapag na-automate mo na yung business mo, pwede ka na mag-focus sa growth at moving actual levers imbes na nakapag-focus ka lang sa daily operations. Now, let's imagine na 3 months consistent na yung business mo. Ang pwede mong gawin is pwede ka na mag-hire ng virtual assistant or VA na tinatawag para siya yung tutulong sa'yo na mag-handle ng mga repetitive tasks mo like outreaching, mag-reply, mag-handle ng mga tao, and etc. Pwede na rin siya yung mismong kumausap sa clients mo behalf of you. At pwede na din siya yung mag-handle ng team mo. This way, mafe-free up mo ulit yung oras mo to find more ways to grow your business or to do whatever you want habang kumikita ka pa rin every single month. At kapag may VA ka na, pwede mong bayaran yon ng 15,000 to 30,000 pesos per month depending doon sa responsibilities niya. At doon mo din kukunin yung pambayad sa kanya galing sa client mo. Ngayon, na-automate mo na yung business mo. Pwede ka na mag-focus sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, at kung gusto mo pang palakihin yung business mo. At sa ginagawa ko, nag-travel na lang ako. And as always, like kahit anong negosyo pa yan, mahirap talaga to sa simula. But with the right approach and perseverance, sobrang posible talaga nito. Ika nga ang sinasabi nila, if you don't make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And hopefully, I giving you a clear roadmap and a real value to help you to get started and see result with this business model. But here's the thing, hindi pa ito tapos. So these 6 steps na binigay ko sa iyo ngayon is your map to achieve financial, location, and time freedom sa ngayong dekada. But kung may makukuha kang isang bagay sa video na to, ito na yun. Achieving financial freedom ay para bang umaakit ka sa tuktok ng bundok. Kung gusto mo talaga makarating sa tuktok ng bundok, may dalawa kang bagay na kailangan. Syempre yung una yung mapa kung paano ka makapunta doon. Pangalawa naman is yung safety net para hindi ka agad-agad mahulog pababa. Kasi kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, di mo maiiwasan magkamali ka at mahuhulog ka sa kung anong obstacle na madadaanan mo on the way up. Pero kung may mapa ka, alam mo kung saan ka nahulog at kaya mong baka balik ka agad, lalo na kung may safety net ka, hindi ka na matatakot na mahulog. Kasi kahit na mahulog ka, sigurado makakabangon ka ulit. No, yung binigay ko sa iyo ngayon, akala mo yun na yung mapa. No, it's just a tiny part of a map. Now, it's time for me to give you the full map. Pero kaso nga lang, hindi ko kaya mag-upload ng 40 hours of YouTube video kung paano mo exactly masisimulan yung prosesong to at going over every detail na kailangan mong malaman para makapagsimula ka ng online business mo and earn from scratch. Now, if you know me, I launched my first program before. Proud ako sa nabuo ko. It was so good. Kinuha ko lahat ng mga trial and error, lessons that I learned from my own businesses, and created something that worked. Then, in-upgrade namin to noong 2022 into a simple, straightforward system na nakatulong sa thousands of Filipinos to start earning a substantial income. Para sa mga naging member ng program ko before, naging roadmap nila to for their 6-figure a month na naging way din nila to finally break free from the grind of a 9-to-5 job. And I even saw some of my members become millionaires. Pero I've always believed that good isn't good enough when you know it can be great. Madalas kong tinatanong sa sarili ko, paano kung gawin at least maging 90% yung win rate dito kapag sumali ka? And how can I make this easier to understand and more accessible sa mga tao at maging foolproof to? Creating this wasn't easy. Over the next 2 years ng buhay ko, I poured everything sa project na ito. Matapos ang halos 2 taon ng pagre-revise, pag-i-improve, and making the old program better. At masasabi kong 50 times better than the original. Halos araw-araw ako nagpupuyata, nagkakaroon ako ng moments of doubt, and countless question na ano yung mga content na pwede kong i-include para maging very high yung chances ng success na kapag naging member ka dito. Paano ko ma-ensure na every step is seamless and actionable? This project was about building an entire experience. Gusto ko na every aspiring entrepreneur, hustler, and a dreamer feel that this program was made specifically personalized for them. Now, after 24 months of relentless work, I am proud to introduce you Outsourcing 3.0. Dito mo makukuha lahat ng mga new and updated strategies kung paano mo to masisimulan yung outsourcing business from scratch. Nandito na lahat ng mga kailangan mo, from tools, workflows, strategies, techniques, blueprints, ready-to-use templates, lahat na nandito na pinagkakatiwalaan at ginagamit ng mga top outsourcing business owners ngayon. Now, darating ang point na once na natutunan mo lahat ng tinuro ko sa loob ng Outsourcing Course 3.0, na darating ka sa point na it's almost impossible to not have a client. Na kahit na wala ka pang kapital, na kahit wala ka pang experience, at kahit na wala ka pang skills. This roadmap is composed of 4 distinct phases. Yung una is yung service. Your offer is one of the most important keys para makapag-close ng high-paying client mo. If your offer sucks, then you are in a grave danger kasi not only na hindi mo ma-close si client, syempre wala kang income. So kailangan mo magkaroon ng magandang offer. That being said, bibigyan ka namin ng exclusive access sa Irresistible Offer Builder so you can learn how to create a proven, effective, and irresistible offers na can lead to a close rate of nearly 60%. Magkakaroon ka rin ng exclusive access sa Goldmine Niche inside sa Outsourcing Playbook na kung saan dito mo malalaman kung paano makahanap ng mga hidden in-demand services na kailangan ng mga clients ngayon at mataas ang bayad sa'yo per month. Magkakaroon ka rin ng access sa list of services with data and analytics kung ano yung mga in-demand services na yun at magkano yung average na ino-offer ng mga clients ngayon. I-share ko din sa iyo yung mga services na ino-offer din namin personally at ng mga members ng program ko. Ipapakita namin sa iyo kung paano namin ako-close yung clients with our techniques and strategies na exclusive lang dito sa Outsourcing Course 3.0. Plus, magkakaroon ka rin ng access sa service price calculator natin with an unexpected type of work kung saan mo malalaman kung paano ba magpresyo ng services mo. Sa employee naman, bibigyan kita ng exclusive access sa FB Group Talent Finder na nasa loob ng Outsourcing Toolkits na kung saan yung mga links ng mga Facebook group na kung saan ka maghahanap ng inyong service provider. This toolkit will help you to find the best and the cheapest service providers in Facebook communities. Pero kung gusto mo naman ng instant direct access at gusto mo kagad na mag-hire ng isang service provider, don't worry. Magkakaroon ka rin ng access sa ready-to-hire employee database natin na nasa loob na rin ng Outsourcing Toolkit na nandito yung mga applicants ng Frank Media na mga magagaling na hindi sila na-hire dahil na-max out na yung capacity ng Frank Media. So kaysa masayang to, ibibigay ko na lang to sa mga members ng aking program. Nandito na rin yung contact information nila, yung test job nila at yung portfolio nila. May mga free ready-to-use templates na battle-tested scripts tulad ng Project Mastermind, HR checklist for posting and interviewing na pwede mo magamit to help you to find and get a high-quality service provider, employee, or partner. May mga lessons din doon kung paano mo i-handle yung employee mo at makopya mo yung perfect system na ginagamit ko at ng mga students ko. And lastly, magbibigay din ako sa iyo ng mga tips and tricks and advices to avoid bad employees para hindi maging affected at maging long-term kayo ng client mo. Next is client. Kung hindi mo alam kung anong uri ba ng client yung para sa iyo at hindi mo alam kung saan ba sila nagtatago, bibigyan ka namin ng exclusive access Where the Hell Are They toolkit na kung saan mo pwedeng gamitin tong template na to para malaman ba kung nasaan sila tumatambay at anong type of client ba yung para sa iyo. At ibibigay din namin sa iyo yung listahan ng 10 little known job sites this 2025 at yung top 3 main job sites kung saan kami kumukuha ng mga premium clients na kung saan na yung clients nagpo-post ng mga katulad natin na nag-o-offer ng mga services. I-share din namin sa iyo yung mga weird strategy na ginagamit namin to find clients sa social media para makuha namin yung mga high-paying clients na willing and afford na mag-compensate sa iyo ng up to 6 figures per month. This is all based sa experience ko at ng mga students ko as we tried every single strategy na available ngayon na pwedeng gawin, and after years of trials and errors, napagtanto na namin at we are confident na this done for you template will give you a higher chance to close a premium client. With this ready to use secret strategy, in time, hindi ka masyadong mag-focus sa outreach dahil marami ka ng clients na interested na makipag-work sa'yo. At isi-share ko rin sa'yo kung paano ako nag-scale sa isang client from 1 service offered to 5 services offered plus 5 more clients galing lang sa isang client ko. Take note, more services is more income. Minsan hindi paramihan ng client to. Minsan kundi paramihan ng services offered sa isang client. Tuturo din namin dito yung scaling and automation. But last but not the least, dito mo din matutunan kung paano ka mag-automate ng outsourcing business mo. Paano mo ma-automate yung maghanap ng client, mag-apply, makipag-communicate, at mag-hire ng mga employees on autopilot. At pwede ka na mag-focus sa mga gusto mong gawin. Either mag-scale up ka pa sa business mo or spend more time with yourself or your family. You can copy my very own system para kahit na wala ka pa sa harap ng phone or laptop mo, tuloy pa rin yung compensations na matatanggap mo. Lahat ng yan is makukuha sa outsourcing playbooks and outsourcing toolkits kasama ng iba pa mga exclusive items sa loob. Pero to be honest, huwag ka lang magtitiwala dahil sinabi ko lang. Pakinggan mo rin yung mga members sa loob ng online program na to na kumikita na sila dito sa business model na to. Oh, here's one results from my previous student na si Randy. After a month of applying strategies na tinuturo ko sa loob ng program na to, na-reach niya na kagad yung 6-digit figure na income niya. Si Talia here trusted the system and transformed her capabilities, rejecting a 80,000 pesos offer ni client to securing a 300,000 pesos in just 30 days. Si Nico, na-achieve niya kagad yung first 6 digits niya in just 2 months of focus and implementing proven strategies to scale. Isa sa mga estudyante ko, si Kachel, started as a senior high school student and closed her first client within less than a month of diligent effort. Another student naman tayo, si Ayan. 18 years old pa lang siya. 1 month pa lang nakakakuha kagad siya ng first client niya at nakapag-earn na siya ng first income niya online in just 1 week. Si RJ, sipag at tiyaga lang ang puhunan. Within 1.5 month, nakapag-secure na kagad siya ng 2 client, earning 82,000 pesos per month. Angel went from walang tulog na corporate employee to earning 6 digits consistently with just 2 hours of work. Thea got her first 80,000 pesos a month client gamit lang yung phone niya in just 2 weeks of implementing the strategies na tinuturo namin sa loob ng program na to. Si Victor here achieved his 7-figure income. Nakuha niya na yung 1 million peso income niya in just 5 months kahit na 20 years old pa lang siya. Ang ginagawa niya na lang ngayon is to deliver the services by outsourcing it, which i-explain ko sa iyo in depth sa loob ng exclusive program. And ito yung ginagamit ko to secure clients na nagbabayad sa akin ng 500,000 pesos per month sa isang client lang yun. At I have multiple clients right now paying me that kinds of money. I'm revealing everything na ginagamit ko sa loob ng sarili kong business. I-expose ko sa inyo lahat kung anong ginagawa ko at ginagawa ng mga estudyante ko dito sa business model na to. For the past 5 years, meron na kaming 20,000 students sa loob ng program na to at nakapag-build na kami ng exclusive community at free community na almost 100,000 members na ngayon. Na kung saan nagpo-post yung mga legit na mga estudyante ko dito sa loob ng community na to na they are flexing their wins here. Doon pa lang, mapagtatanto mo na kagad na hindi fake screenshot yung pinapakita ko kanina. At etong program na to, registered corporation na to. At yung makikita nyong testimonial sa website ay mga totoong tao na tulad mo na nagkaroon ng results sa program na to. That being said, gumawa ako ng separate program na kung saan malalaman mo kung paano ka mag-scale from 1 client to multiple clients, eventually creating your first agency katulad ng Frank Media. Ito na mismo yung sikreto na ginagawa ko sa Frank Media. Dito ko tinuro lahat ng mga secret ways on how I find clients na hindi alam ng karamihan, na hindi ko rin tinuro ito sa last program ko. Kasi gusto ko tong i-gatekeep sa sarili ko lang. Pero ngayon, ilalabas ko na to for the first time ever. But wait, hindi lang naman enough na ibibigay ko sa iyo mga tips and strategies, then okay na. Hindi lang dito nagtatapos yung outsourcing course. So, totoo lang. I want this to be the most valuable program na matatanggap mo sa buong buhay mo. Kaya ganito katagal ito ginawa. That's why na magkakaroon ka na ng exclusive access sa building Foundations, na kung saan i-guide ka ng mga top mentors kung paano ka ba mag-build ng strong business foundations so that your business can thrive for more years to come. Magkakaroon ka rin ng exclusive access sa outsourcing scaling blueprint. Makukuha mo lahat ng step-by-step scaling blueprint kung paano mo ma-scale yung business mo para kumita ka pa rin na kahit wala kang ginagawa. At meron pang isa, nandito na rin yung fish method na kung saan malalaman mo yung ginagawa kong weird, secret, and unusual outreach method na ginagamit ko to close high-paying clients, paano ako makapag-negotiate sa kanila at paano ako hanapin sila with minimal effort at majority of the time, hindi mo na kailangan mag-outreach na sobrang daming job sites. Ang kailangan mo lang malaman is yung fish method. Magkakaroon ka rin ng exclusive access sa Upwork Secrets kung saan i-reveal ni Alice as season 7-figure Upwork specialist yung sekreto niya at kung paano mo ito magagamit to close high-paying clients sa Upwork. At magkakaroon ka pa ng access sa isa pa, Online Jobs PH Secret. Ito yung isa sa mga online course na masaya akong ginawa. Kasi dito sa Online Jobs PH Secrets, i-reveal ko sa iyo lahat ng mga sekreto kung paano ka makakasigurado na every outreach mo merong high probability na makapag-secure ka ng high-paying client in less time and effort. Dahil i-reveal namin dito yung sinasabi mismo ng clients na expose natin kung paano nga ba kumuha yung mga clients dito sa job sites na to. Kung ano yung mga do and don'ts, trip and tricks, at ano yung mga red flags na hinahanap nila para maging green flag ka at makuha mo yung client na yun. At ibinagturo dito yung mismong may-ari ng Online Jobs at PH. Nakasama ako sa isang mastermind at nagturo siya paano ba kumuha ng mga clients dito sa job sites na to. And finally, magkakaroon ka rin ng exclusive access sa outsourcing case study na kung saan lahat ng mga successful members ng program na to ay nagsama-sama para i-reveal sa iyo at i-expose sa iyo lahat ng mga secret strategies, secret methods, secret tips, and secret advices na ginagawa nila para maging successful na hindi na nila tinago sa iyo at sasabihin na nila sa iyo so you can skip the guesswork of building your successful outsourcing business from scratch. Na hindi lang ito normal na turo, i-reveal din nila yung mga screenshots and yung mga message nila with their client. Now, with these weapons, you can easily climb your way to the top in less time and less effort. Kasi lahat ng kailangan mo to build your successful online outsourcing business is andito na. But of course, sa dami ng pwede mong gawin sa program na to, di mo maiiwasan na magkakalito-lito kung ano ba yung sisimulan mo dahil baka ma-overwhelm ka. Kaya para hindi ka na mahirapan kung paano masimulan lahat ng tinuturo ko sa iyo, gumawa ako ng outsourcing roadmap na kung saan ibibigay ko sa iyo yung step-by-step na gagawin mo every single day, araw-araw, walking you through the whole course. Ano yung mga kailangan mong malaman at ano yung sunod-sunod na papanoorin mong lessons and videos para hindi ka maligaw. Nakalatag na lahat dito yung day-to-day na gagawin mo on how you can build your successful outsourcing business from scratch kahit wala ka pang experience at skills. But kung gusto mong wala namang patumpik-tumpik at gusto mo kagad magkaroon ng results in the next 30 days, bibigyan ka namin ng exclusive access sa 30-day outsourcing checklist kung saan namin ibibigay sa iyo lahat ng kailangan mong gawin para makakuha kagad ng results within 30 days. Makakaroon ka ng access sa 30-day outsourcing challenge na kung saan kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin every single day until the day 30 para makakuha ka ng high premium client mo. So basically, dito pa lang, paldo ka na kung susundan mo lang to consistently. But I really want to see you succeed. And I want to throw failure out of the window. That's why hindi lang nagtatapos dito lahat ng mga makukuha mo. What I've just shared with you are just parts of outsourcing campus. Just a part. And this is just one out of our new campuses sa loob ng new program kong na tinatawag kong Elevate. Elevate isn't just another course. It's your complete map para magsimula ka ng online business na hindi nakadepende kung nasaan ka man at mag-i-scale ka to 6 figures or more as quickly as possible by selling services online. So, yes, legit pa to sa legit. Now, Kung meron kang mapa, the other thing na kailangan mo kasama ng mapa is a safety net. Now, I said earlier na I want to create something na mayroong 90% na win rate. And the reason na kaya mo makamit yun sa program na to is because of the safety net. Napansin namin na bakit nag-fail yung ibang mga members kasi nahuhulog sila sa mga butas. Nahihirapan silang pumili ng kung anong services yung gusto nilang i-offer. Wala silang other skills na gusto nilang matutunan at hindi nila alam kung saan magsisimula. So, we created the safety nets para maiwasan mong mahulog sa mga butas na ito. For that, we have 3 levels of safety nets to avoid that from happening. The first safety net na meron tayo is our exclusive private Elevate community. We created an exclusive private mastermind community platform for members na sasali sa Elevate, where you can collab, meet, partner, and inspire. This is the perfect place to meet and network with your fellow business owners. Ask questions, share your expertise, and find an accountability partner. See what others are doing and celebrate your wins. Dito ka rin namin i-update sa mga new strategies and templates na i-upload namin in the future to help you to scale and grow your business. Second is our Elevate instructors. Meron kaming ibang mga campuses na tutulungan kang mag-upskill at matutunan lahat ng kailangan mo para maging healthy ka sa katawan mo, maging secured ka sa skills mo, at maging secured ka rin sa future success mo. Self-development campus. You see, true success starts from within. Most people fail kasi akala nila yung answer na hinahanap nila lies in doing more, watching endless tutorials, buying more tools, or jumping into the latest shiny trend. But without the right mindset, and even the best strategies will fall flat. Your brain will find excuses, procrastinate, or freeze the moment when things get tough. We created this campus kasi your business will only grow as much as you do. Inside the campus, we ensure that you develop the mental toughness, clarity, and habits needed to make the most out of everything. Now, we have gathered the best industry expert to provide you with the best resource to reprogram your mind and build your character for success.
Bakit yung mahihirap, hirap na hirap umangat sa buhay at kung umangat man, balik hirap pa rin?
So when we say yoga, it's from a Sanskrit word which means union. So what's the union? It's the union of you and yourself.
You are fit, you are confident, and you can really outwork your competitors, and you can really be the best version of yourself. Mas marami kang energy, mental clarity, and that portrays discipline.
Mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo ang 3 foundational breathing na pwede niyo nang i-apply ngayon at pwede niyo nang ituro sa iba.
My name is Ross Wilson. Matagal na po ako naging coach, naging seminar facilitator, but above all, I am also a businessman.
My name is Jayshan. I'm a yoga teacher, a meditation teacher, mindfulness facilitator.
My name is Enver Florendo. Right now, I am the CEO and owner of SmartFit PH. I am able to help numerous people globally, hindi lang sa Pinas.
Hi, I'm Reef at ako ay nagtuturo ng mga tao kung paano talaga huminga ng tama. Dahil dito, nagawa ko ang pinakaunang breathwork center dito sa Pilipinas at ito ay tawag Breathwork Philippines.
If you want to learn from the great,
If you want to learn from the great,
If you want to learn from the great,
choose Elevate.
Now, kung nag-aalala ka, wala ka pang skills needed to make it work, or gusto mo matuto ng mga bagong skills to upgrade your skill set, don't worry. We also have the Skill Sprint Campus, kung saan na pwede mong matuto lahat ng mga high-income skills na pwede mong i-offer sa client mo, or ituro sa mga employee mo, or to help your team to become more skilled. Inside this campus, you will get access to these exclusive courses.
Paano ka nga ba magbebenta without really selling?
Paano ba gumawa ng isang thumbnail?
Paano nga ba gumawa ng digital arts?
How to innovate your agency through AI without tech overwhelm.
Kung wala yung skills na natutunan ko, na in-apply ko sa business ko, mahirap na mapalago kong aking negosyo.
Ituturo ko sa iyo from A to Z kung paano mag-edit ng ganito at ganito.
Ito yung interface ng CapCut PC at turo ko na rin sa inyo kung saan kayo pwede kumuha ng mga basic na asset. Do you want to increase your sales with AI? So my goal for you today is to give you clarity on the strategies for maximizing AI and how to use it to be able to scale yung business mo.
In this course, I'm gonna show you the single formula that has helped me go from earning just 20K per month to making 7 figures selling info products, 8 figures selling physical products, and 8 figures in the service industry.
Ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng thumbnail. Kaya ko gawin to in less than 10 minutes kung hindi ako nagtuturo. Pero ang binabayad sa akin is nasa 5,000 pesos each.
Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumamit ng Photoshop and kung ano nga ba yung mga basic fundamentals of drawing.
So my name is J.S. Mines. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Enrocket Incorporated. So we focus mainly on selling physical products online.
Hi guys, my name is Javis Targantes and I am video editor. Ako ay may 1 year experience na sa pag-edit.
My name is J. Gregorio. Ang pinaka-goal ko dito sa training na to is maipasa sa'yo yung skill set na kakailanganin mo para kung meron kang negosyo na sisimulan, maa-apply mo yung mga matututunan mo dito sa ating brand new training.
Hello guys, I'm Alan Lawrence Cantal, founder and CEO of Limitless Ventures Incorporated, co-founder of Usma Dental Group, and also a board of directors sa WeTrade Innovative Solutions.
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Brix at ngayon tuturuan ko lang kayo ng ilang knowledge about sa CapCut PC.
Ako si Trevin William Vipo, isang animation student from CIIT College of Arts and Technology.
So, if you want to learn from the great,
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 choose Elevate.
Now I made a big promise to you na I will throw failure out of the window. And in order to do that, kailangan hindi lang nakasalalay sa short term yung success na makukuha mo. You have to make it last to the long term. That's why we finally created the Final Boss Wealth Roadmap Campus. This campus is designed para matulungan ka mag-explore ng iba't ibang mga businesses para ma-secure mo yung wealth mo in the long term. This unified approach gives you a proven and no bullshit money-making roadmap from the top 1% in every wealth creation opportunity. So ang tanong, ano nga bang laman nitong campus na to?
mahirap na buhay,
Hindi ka makakapag-ipon.
wala tayong budget.
Na-achieve ko na yung mga goals and dreams ko but hindi pa ako talaga andon.
Turo ko sa module na ito kung ano nga ba yung mga pinagdaanan ko pagkakamali so that hindi mo na pagdaanan.
So I'll be sharing with you guys the things na ginawa ko that you can start with in doing your e-commerce and earning your first million.
Pag-uusapan natin, paano ka nga ba matututo how to plan your finances para rin alam mo kung ano yung mga ma-achieve mo in your future pagdating sa financial dreams and goals mo.
Ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga skills na dapat yung matutunan pagdating sa trading, no?
We are going to talk about a lot of things that I did not just learn on my own, but I also learned these things from working with hundreds of entrepreneurs as I coach them and train their teams.
Over the years, nakapagbenta ako ng billions worth of condos, townhouse, and properties. At nag-top 1 din ako sa mga malalaking real estate company and car dealers dito sa Pilipinas.
Nag-umpisa po ako bilang isang dishwasher lang sa Angeles City. Dati wala po akong alam lutuin. And ngayon, isa na akong international chef.
Kung mag-fail ka man, parte yan ng buhay.
So my name is Carl D. So today guys, I'm gonna share with you some learning on real estate.
Hi there, my name is Coach Brian Abduhan. Nawardan na ako as one of the most awarded and trusted opportunity provider in the Philippines.
Hi, I'm Ruthie Juanson. I was part of $1 Million Roundtable. It is an organization worldwide wherein 2% lang ng mga financial advisor ang makakapasok dito.
Hi everyone, this is Coach Paulo Castro. I'm a financial and investment consultant. Meron akong isang financial investment consultation agency named MVP Financials.
Hi, I'm RD Morales and I'm the Chief Exponential Officer of WeTrade Innovative Solutions.
Hi guys, I'm Marvin Favis and makikita ninyo ako sa social media, sa YouTube and TikTok dahil ako ay nagtuturo ng trading and of course cryptocurrency.
Hi, I'm Dan Liwanan. I'm the president of Restaurateurs of the Philippines and the CEO of Liwanag Cafe and Coco Thai Kitchen Plus Bar.
My name is Chef Ronnie Dizon Mariano. Marami po akong na-achieve. Nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong restaurant. I am the CEO and Executive Chef of Ramen House and Catering Services. Kasama ko sa naging private chef ni Queen Elizabeth.
If you want to learn from the great,
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 choose Elevate.
Now, hindi lang dito nagtatapos yung ino-offer namin. Third safety net is our support. Magkakaroon ka ng exclusive access sa 6 months sa mga live, sa mga recorded na Q&A sessions na kung saan yung ibang tao is nagtatanong sa akin at nirecord ko ito at pinost ko na lang ito for free. At nakaseparate and nakastructure siya at nakasegregate siya per topic. So you can search your question at lalabas na lang doon at meron doon video tutorial on solving your problem and keep you on the right track sa business journey mo. Pag-usapan na natin yung presyo. Hindi ako katulad ng iba na nagbibigay ng mga unrealistic value stock na presyo. Nasasabihin nila, this is worth 200,000 pesos. This is worth 2 million pesos. Sakit sa ulo ng mga yun. Gawin na lang nating realistic. Yung dati kong program, nakapresyo siya ng 6,987 pesos. At 25,000 students ang nag-enroll doon sa program na yun. At isang program pa lang yung 7,000 pesos. Isa pa lang yun ha. Now, to make it a super low offer, sabihin natin super lowball na, sobrang mura na. For each program, sabihin na natin they are priced at 1,000 pesos. Yung luma ko nga 7,000 pesos yun, pero isa pa lang yun. So, sa outsourcing campus, there are 7 courses. So, price, total of 7,000 pesos. Self-development campus, meron siyang 5 courses. So, total of 5,000 pesos. Skill Sprint campus, 7 courses, all price at 7,000 pesos. And finally, Wealth Roadmap campus, 10 courses, all price at 10,000 pesos. Isipin nyo, there are 33 plus online courses at prinetso ko lang siya ng 1,000 isa. May mga playbooks na din nakasama to na sabihin natin 500 lang kada isa. So in short, lahat ng mga to is 51,000 pesos. Lahat ng programs with top industry expert, all of the secrets, all of the playbooks, all of the exclusive resources, all of the toolkits, cheat sheets, lahat ng kailangan mo nandito na. At makukuha mo na lang siya na hindi 51,000, makukuha mo na lang ito for a low price of 45,000 pesos. But of course, medyo mataas pa rin yan sa iba. And I want to help as many people as possible at magkaroon sila ng access sa Elevate. So, I decided to bring down the price to 35,000 pesos. Pero since nandito ka pa rin as a way of saying thank you for giving me your precious time and attention, I'm giving you an exclusive limited time discount of 10,000 pesos off. So, from 35,000 pesos, magiging 25,000 pesos na lang sa lahat ng mga sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Lahat magkakaroon kayo ng instant access doon. Pero, sa totoo lang, this program could be easily priced at 50,000 pesos dahil sobrang laki ng value nito, no questions asked. From courses, templates, roadmaps, toolkits, playbooks, community na makukuha mo. And with dedication, hindi na ako magugulat kung kaya mong mabawi kaagad yung 25,000 na yan in just 2 months. Worst comes to worst, makakuha ka ng cheap client at nakuha mo siya na hindi 100k pero sabihin natin 25,000 pesos a month, uy, hindi ka pa rin lugi. Bumalik na yung puhunan mo sa 1 buwan pa lang. Sa next month, kita ka na dun. But here's the thing, I'm not doing this for the money. Na-achieve ko na yung mga personal and financial goals ko sa buhay. My real mission now is to create a legacy by helping people like you to build their own success stories. Sa totoo lang, kung pwede lang walang bayad, gagawin ko. Pero, kaysa makatulong ako baka masayang lang. You need to have a skin in the game para maseryosohin mo to. And that's not all. Kasi we want this program to be the best program out there na sulit talaga. Kaya kung magiging member ka ngayon, along with the continuous access to updating the program's exclusive private Elevate community, all of the new campuses at courses and toolkits and playbooks, magkakaroon ka ng exclusive access sa mga 4 years worth of Q&A recordings na kung saan lahat ng mga valuable information hinimay-himay ko, so you can now learn what everything that works in terms of client, employees, lifestyle, relationship, and so much more. Magkakaroon ka rin ng exclusive access sa ating panibagong innovative product na Elevate AI Outreach Agent. You just need to put the Instagram or TikTok link or a job post dito sa AI na to, and the AI will spit out a working personalized outreach message based doon sa client na yun, na ready to copy and paste na lang, at magbibigay siya ng templates in seconds. Trinay namin itong AI na to based doon sa mga working outreach scripts ko sa mga premium clients ko at ang mga battle-tested templates to get clients close sa service na ino-offer mo. This will help you to save time with your research and cold outreach. At magbibigay sa iyo ng mga proven ready to copy and paste templates to reach out and close more clients. Kasi the name of the game here, the more outreach, the more clients. But don't take this for granted. Kasi while ibibigay namin sa iyo lahat ng kailangan mo, na literal wala ka ng kailangan pang iba, nandyan ang latang need mo, you need to know that we are limiting the spots available. Kasi we want to focus on every member na mag-join ngayon sa program na to. Ang pwede kasi mangyari sa sobrang daming members na sumasali dito is baka hindi ma-accommodate yung ating mga toolkits at mga softwares na ginagamit ng ating mga member. If you're thinking na, okay, pwede naman ako maging Elevate member later, bakit kailangan pa ngayon? Well, that's the exact mindset kung bakit hindi ka pa nakakaalis sa posisyon mo ngayon. Tanggalin mo yung mindset na ganyan, na saka na lang ako kasi pwede naman tsaka na. Sure, pwede naman siya in the future, pero the only thing is, mas mahihirapan ka ng pumasok. People will know more about this strategy, and the time na feel mong it's ready na, it's already too late. Na dapat yung client mo na para sa'yo dapat in the past is nakuha na ng iba dahil late ka ng pumasok. Na mismo mag-invest sa Bitcoin noong 2017 dahil sabi mo tsaka na. Na mismo mag-e-commerce at mag-dropshipping noong 2018 dahil sabi mo tsaka na. Sana nakapaldo ka ngayon ng mga winning products mo sa e-commerce mo ngayon. Pero dahil sa mindset mong tsaka na lang ako, tsaka na lang, wala na. And honestly, maybe a few days from now or even the next month, this offer may not be available anymore. Huge disclaimer, please listen. I'm telling you, hindi to get rich quick scheme. Sobrang straightforward ang business na to, and that's why sobrang accessible nito sa lahat. Pero makakatanggap ka lang ng resulta dito with dedication and consistent effort. Even beginners with no prior experience ay pwede maka-earn well sa business na to. I will give you all of the resources, scripts, templates, contracts, websites, maps, guidelines, strategies, lessons, tip and tricks you need para mas mapabilis yung growth mo and technical knowledge mo. But it requires learning and consistent effort. Sa totoo lang, I cannot control your dedication, effort, consistency, and willingness to learn. Lahat ng yun, ikaw at sayo mo lang makukuha. I cannot control that. But if you need a map, community, coaches, instructors, this is the perfect online program to invest in 2025. Sige, sabihin natin, naging member ka. Worst case scenario, ginawa mo lahat na makakaya mo, sinundan mo lahat ng strategies na tinuro ko dito, and after a year, wala ka pa rin client? Ang tanong, masasayang na ba talaga ang pera mo? Sa totoo lang, hindi. Because I'm going to give you our fast action bonus na Elevate Success Assurance. Under the Elevate Success Assurance, if you follow all of the instructions, utilize all of the tips, strategies, and templates provided, and still do not close a client within the next 12 months, you can request a 6-month free extension. Just show us the proof na you did the work. In short, bibigyan ka namin ng additional access sa lahat ng Elevate tools, resources, and community for more time to achieve your goal. Itong policy na to is ini-ensure ka na you can pursue your business goals without any risk of failing behind. In which case, you win. Dito naman tayo kapag naging member ka, anong best case scenario? You dive in-apply mo lahat ng strategies at nakakapag-secure ka kagad ng first paid client mo ngayon. With this, magkakaroon ka ng exclusive benefits mag-access sa Elevate Inner Circle. Ngayon, kapag meron ka ng first paid client mo, magkakaroon ka kagad ng exclusive benefits and access sa ating private Elevate Inner Circle, which includes free 1-day resort bootcamp. All expense paid. Ang hindi lang kasama is food. Dito is magkakaroon kayo ng private training with me. Kasama ako doon. Personal branding. Copy ng mga trainings from abroad about agencies and building a team. So, swak na swak talaga. So, in short, nagka-client ka na nga, nagka-bonus ka pa. And please, this investment is naka-focus to help you join a community na tutulong sa'yo to keep you motivated, accountable, and positive to transform yourself from newbie to expert sa business na to as fast as possible. In which case, you still win. Now, siguro nagtataka ka kung bakit may bayad. Kung gusto kong tumulong, bakit hindi ko na lang ito ibigay ng libre? Well, this is because of the psychology of free. Harvard study shows that people take things for granted kapag free yung isang bagay. Kapag yung cost of entry sa information is free, walang kwenta yon. Sa experiment nila, on average, nalaman nila only 5% of participants na hindi nagbayad ng fee for ID verification yung nakatapos sa online course nila. Pero yung mga nagbayad to verify their identity, 59% ang nakatapos. Kahit sobrang laki pa ng value ng information, dahil free yung isang bagay, hindi nila ma-appreciate yung value nito until it's too late. Yes, I can give this out for free. Pero kung wala kang i-invest, wala kang magiging motivation to work hard for it. You will take it for granted. And in case you forget, we are living in the best moment in history to start your online business. It has never been easier, in demand, and bigger para sa opportunity na to. The more na nagpo-procrastinate ka, the more na inuunahan ka ng ibang tao na kinukuha yung mga potential clients mo na kahit hindi naman sila kasing galing or talino mo. Sila yung nakakakuha ng mga malalaking client na dapat sa'yo pero hindi. Kasi nagpa-procrastinate ka, tinatamad ka, pinapalampas mo yung opportunity na to. Na sinabi mo last year sa sarili mo na sisimulan mo na talaga to this year. At kung hindi mo pa alam, marami mga businesses at mga nag-aabang sa mga services na pwede mong i-offer sa kanila ngayon. Na willing magbigay sila ng malalaking sahod, malalaking pera para sa mga services na i-offer mo. So kung hindi ikaw yung kukuha nun para sa sarili mo, then someone else na nag-commit sa roadmap will. So, it's either na ikaw mismo yung mag-take ng action para sa sarili mo at kunin yung deserve mo, or ikaw na lang yung manonood na lang sa iba na binubuhay yung gusto mong buhay. The choice is yours. So, kung gusto mo matuto na magsimula ng outsourcing business ngayon from scratch, click the link, the button below in the description and get access sa Elevate ngayon. Once nasa website ka na, scroll down below at meron kang makikitang password holder. And just for you, dahil nakaabot ka sa part na to, meron ako napakagandang gift para sa iyo. May makikita kang password holder. Click that and all you need to enter is the password. I'm Elevate. Para ma-access mo yung limited time offer na ibibigay ko sa iyo ngayon at exclusive lang to ngayon. So here's the deal. Kung may secret password ka ngayon, you will be able to get the diamond ticket to join the program immediately. Diba sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, 35 magiging 25. Ngayon hindi na 25, hindi na rin 19,000, hindi na rin 17,000. You can get immediate access sa full exclusive access for diamond ticket today for 14,987 pesos lang for the whole year. Now, let's do the math. Imagine 14,987 pesos divided by 365 days a year. That's only 41 pesos per day for the whole program. So scan the QR code to pay, then isend mo yung proof of payment, screenshot mo sa Facebook page ng Elevate. We will verify the payment at bibigyan ka namin ng form to fill up. And within the day, bibigyan ka namin ng access dito sa private exclusive new program natin this 2025. Sobrang excited na kami na makita ka namin sa loob ng community. Ngayon, kung meron kayo other questions or problems in terms of payment, you can click the support button sa bottom left ng website natin or doon sa Elevate Facebook page. I wish you all to be successful in life. I'll give you a boost for your confidence. If kaya ng mga students ko na kumita ng ganun, na kahit ano pang estado ng buhay nila, kahit naka-phone lang sila, at kahit nakatira pa sila sa tuktok ng bundok, pero kumikita pa rin sila ng malaki, I'm confident and believe na kaya mo rin tong gawin. Basta meron kang sipag at tiyaga at huwag kang titigil para sa pangarap mo. Hindi ko sinasabi magiging madali to. Walang madaling negosyo. Pero sa lahat ng mga negosyo, ito na yung pinakamadali na na-try ko. At mas lalo magiging mas madali dahil sa tulong ng ibibigay sa iyo ng Elevate. May mga times na mafe-feel mo na natatalo ka. May mga times na mafe-feel mong lonely ka sa journey na to. Just so you know, I'm here to help you. So kung ready ka na, just headed to our website, www.elevateph.net. But other than that, I will see you on the inside.